So in this video, you'll learn how to back up your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to the Settings app. And then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option Accounts and Backup. Now you have two options or two methods you can use to back up your Z Fold 7. You can choose to use the Samsung Cloud feature, or you can choose to use Google Drive. If you decide to use Samsung Cloud, then you're just going to tap on Backup Data, and then it will load a list of information that's going to be backed up. So if you want to continue, you can just tap on Backup Now at the very bottom and simply wait for your device to be backed up. Alternatively, you can always go back and then select the option Backup Data under Google Drive. From here, you'll then be prompted to choose what you're going to back up. So what you're going to do is just select what you want backed up, and then you're going to tap on Manage Backup, and you'll be brought to this page. Next, you're then going to just tap on Backup Now and simply enter in your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm that you wish to go through the process. Once you've done that, you'll then just wait for your Z Fold 7 to be backed up to the Google Drive. And so that's how you can back up your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.